A research team has achieved something that once belonged only to theory. For the very first time, they provided experimental proof that flat electronic bands in a kagome superconductor are not passive, but active, and they directly shape the material's electronic and magnetic behaviors. This breakthrough came from Rice University, where scientists, working hand in hand with international partners, uncovered clear evidence of active flat electronic bands. It is more than just a discovery, it is a stepping stone toward new strategies for designing quantum materials. From superconductors to topological insulators, and even spin-based electronics, the possibilities stretch far beyond imagination. Such advances could one day power the next generation of electronics and computing. Published on August 14 in Nature Communications, the findings revolve around a special chromium-based kagome metal known as CsCr₃Sb₅. Under pressure, this material transforms, becoming a superconductor. But what makes kagome metals so intriguing? It is their unique two-dimensional lattice of corner-sharing triangles, a geometry capable of hosting compact molecular orbitals, standing wave patterns of electrons. Theories long suggested that these unusual electron states might give rise to unconventional superconductivity and exotic magnetic behaviors. In most materials, however, such flat bands remain hidden, far from energy levels that matter. In CsCr₃Sb₅, the story is different. Here, the flat bands are alive, active, and directly shaping the very character of the material. At Rice, leading the study were Pengcheng Dai, Ming Yi, and Kaimao Si, along with collaborators like Dijing Huang from Taiwan's National Synchrotron Radiation Research Center. Their efforts bridged experiment, theory, and synthesis into one unified vision. Our results confirm a surprising theoretical prediction, said Dai, the Sam and Helen Warden Professor of Physics and Astronomy. This establishes a pathway for engineering exotic superconductivity through chemical and structural control. For decades, flat bands were the subject of abstract models. Now, theory has finally met experiment, and the geometry of kagome lattices emerges as a new design tool for controlling the behavior of electrons in solids. By identifying active flat bands, we've shown a direct connection between lattice geometry and emergent quantum states, added Ming Yi, Associate Professor of Physics and Astronomy. To reach these insights, the team turned to powerful experimental techniques. Angle-resolved photoemission spectroscopy, ARPES, mapped electrons under synchrotron light, exposing distinct signatures of compact orbitals. Resonant inelastic X-ray scattering, RIXS, then revealed magnetic excitations tied to these electron modes. Together, ARPES and RIXS painted a consistent and a striking picture. Flat bands were not silent, they were active players. "This is amazing to see," said C., the Harry C. and Olga K. Weiss Professor of Physics and Astronomy. Until now, such features existed only in abstract theoretical models. Theoretical modeling supported the experiments, with Fang Xie, a Rice Academy Junior Fellow, building custom electronic lattice models that mirrored the observed features. His work guided the team toward a deeper understanding of the data. Yet, none of this would have been possible without extraordinary samples. Zihao Wang, a Rice graduate student and co-first author, described how the team grew unusually large and pure crystals of CsCr₃Sb₅, 100 times bigger than in previous attempts. It was a refined method, he explained, one that gave the clarity needed for such groundbreaking results. Equally important was the spirit of collaboration. From material synthesis to advanced spectroscopy, and from data interpretation to theoretical modeling, every piece of expertise was woven together. This work was possible only through collaboration, said Yu Chengguo, a Rice graduate student and co-first author who led the ARPES efforts. It brought together design, synthesis, characterization, and theory in a single project. And so, the discovery stands as both a scientific milestone and a promise. Flat electronic bands, once thought unreachable, are now experimentally confirmed, opening a new frontier in quantum materials and the future of electronics. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for further notification.